up, baby? Trust me. I really like you. You're so beautiful. And so sweet. I really want to hold you down for real good. Trust me, okay? I'm gonna get it twisted with you. Trust me, okay? You're so beautiful and you're my type. You're my spec. Look at you. How your stature is. You know? I do really want to hold you down. Take care of you very much. Okay? No, I don't give a fuck about my salary. How much is it? Come on, I'm gonna give all my salary to you. I'm not just a common teacher. You know that? I was in Germany, you know. I was in Hamburg. But, you know, I fucked up and, you know, they threw me back down in Ghana.
Hello.
You know? So now, I just want to just be a little bit, you know, helping the student in Ghana so I can teach them English. That's why I'm here. Okay, baby? So don't worry about, you know, this kind of, you know, things. I'm gonna hold you down. Now I'm not using car, I'm not driving, but don't worry about it, okay? Later, I'm gonna buy you Range Rover. Trust me, okay, baby? I really like you. I'm gonna take you to America, everywhere you wanna go. Where do you wanna go, baby? All right? I got you.
Okay, I have heard you, but don't you have a wife?
Wife? No, baby. Come on. Oh, I'm single. I'm not married. Yeah, because, you know, these people around, no, I don't want to just fuck around with these girls like that.
Good afternoon, madam. Say emergency. Your wife has collapsed. People are crying. Some are wailing. They are saying crying. They are. No, sir, you don't want to listen to me. Your wife has collapsed. People are wailing. Ambulance is coming. They said they are waiting for you before they go to the hospital. I have to come and tell you. So you have to rush there. No, sir, you don't understand. Your wife is dying.
Wait.
Emergency.
What are you saying?
You say Wi-Fi.
Wait. Talk.
You don't work for MTN office. That is Wi-Fi. They work for telecommunication engineering.
Are you sure what's happening?
Madam, this one is having a wife with 2 children. Not kids or children, 15 and 16 years. What was he saying?
Like me.
Oh, this one. Hey, he want to chop you.
Oh, really?
Madam, everything, madam. This one they chop. Pre-tech, madam, he chop. Pre-vocational schools, madam, he chop. Preschool, madam, he chop. Pre-mass, madam, he chop. Pre-science, everything pre-chop.
Hey, Amankwah, so you did this me?
No, sir, I'm telling her what
Okay,
you are.
so you... It's okay. See,
Baby, it's a lie.
Hey,
Baby, it's a lie.
Hey.
Shit, baby. Come on, baby.
This will be the first and last.
Yes.
You call me.
Madam, I trust you.
Hey, Amankwah.
That is our madam.
Is that how you are, Amankwah? I just nearly settled this thing, Amankwah.
Nearly you chop revoke, madam. Nearly a day you want to chop English, madam.
Amankwah, why do you... Okay, right now, where's my wife? Where's my wife?
I've not seen her. I don't know where she is.
Amankwah? He shot you.
You want to chop our English, madam?
Hey! Hey, you, tomorrow you see what I do to you.